Time. What is time? Time is the fourth dimension of space, and time is relative. Relating to Einstein's theory of relativity, time depends on mass and speed. Next to huge masses, time runs slower. Einstein said, "There is nothing faster in the universe than the speed of light. It is a universal constant." That means the speed of light measured from a torch standing still on the surface of the earth is exactly the same as if you measured the light's speed whilst traveling in a jet plane. This fact can only be explained by the relativity of time. Moving watches tick slower, but these effects have nothing to do with our own sense of time. For example, at the dentist, time seems to drag by much slower than in our summer holidays. In our memory, it's just the other way around. The past will appear longer if we have lots of new experiences within a short period of time. In our society, time is money. But working more and more in less time increases our feeling of timelessness. Maybe we should slow down for a moment so that you've got enough time to reflect on the nature of time.